Hi, sorry for the interference. So this is the validate login page. First, we are connecting to the database using localhost and root, and we are displaying the error message if any if any SQL error comes there, and we select the data and we select the database data one using this function, and set the cookies set the username as cookie, and inside the username we will set cookie. Okay, and we run a query which is select a star from users where username equal to the username which the user will input, and if not, if that doesn't work, then we will go on to the web page and check for go on to the database and check for username and password, and if it, and the password is encrypted using the SHA-1 algorithm, and we set the another query select star from users where username equal to username and password equal to encrypted password. Okay, and it will check in the database if there is any existing details regarding the if there any existing entry regarding the username and the password. If both are matching, we will get inside the login page, and if any error comes, it will display that mysql error. The message will be displayed out. If And we will also check the rows from the records, and if the records is not equal to if the records are not equal to 0, then we'll start the session and set the post, and using the dollar post function we will set the password as remember, and set cookie username using dollar username, and we will display the output on the login screen as login successful, and echo and welcome using the echo function, and the to and the username will be displayed here, and the session starts from here. The we display all the sorry so password.php. Yeah, using this function we get on to the next page, which is password.php, and there is another button set inside the web page, which is logout dot php, sorry, which is logout, which is a button which will get me out of the web page, and if none of these are possible, it will display the message will be displayed as username invalid username and password and or password. Moving on to the password, the password .php gets the we have used the form method post to post the password into the database, so into the database server, and it will check for the data, and the id is given as passlog, and we also save the password using the type password, and the name is given as pass, and the input and we click one more import data as sub and we get set another button as submit to get out of that page and execute the function sub, and function sub doesn't do anything, and sorry, I forgot to explain you that this password is for changing the this page is for changing the password. Okay, and moving on to the database. See, I have already created the database data one with the users existing here. You can see here, and it has several columns. So we can check here, say, username, password, and email, which is according to the details given in the question, and first we go and we are checking the database. See, first we will check the database command, select star from users, and running that query we get these several data. So this was the usernames which I have already saved in the database, AAA, Anu, Anurag and Nitin, and the password we can see that it is encrypted, and the email details are given here. So this was the last of it. Thank you.